and now I need to maintain this inverter. Okay, and we have an issue, and one cooling fan, and we need to do some maintenance of this inverter because I received this for maintenance and troubleshoot the cooling fan issue. First of all, I need to provide a power, and let's check about the setting. Okay, sorry. Let's check. We don't know any screen is full from dust and other materials. Okay, so we need to fix this, and we have a sitting issue in this inverter. Now first I need to check 47.6 volt battery low warning. Okay, now I am increasing the voltages. We have 48.9, but there's still warning, but first we need to maintain to check everything properly. Okay, because now we have a dust inside of this plastic protection cover for LCD, and we need to maintain this wires. This is very hard wires. Okay, and not suitable for this inverter. Okay, and first I need to watch my this live stream on another device, what's going on in camera and what I am doing here. Okay, I am always forgetting this thing to first watch on another device. Okay, finally I found this live. Okay, now I need to uncore this. Okay, the customer says the fan is not running, one fan. Okay, and giving the part, but now our inverter has cooled down, so now no need for cooling fan. So in this time we cannot say anything about this from cooling fan. Okay, for cooling fan and how you can run the cooling fan in cool down status. Okay, so first I need to remove the top cover, and after that I am telling you how you can start manually this fan to check the fans. Okay, this is the good inverter because I am uncovering at the first time. I remove the cell. Okay, for uncovering the top core, first I need to check more screw we have or not. No, we have not any more screw. I need to know about because this is the new thing for me. First time I received this type of inverter. I think we have, but this is not in the one piece, so I was little confused. As you can see here, I attach with another piece with this top core. but I am removing this first. After that we can decide. First I need to remove these 4 screws from here. Oh man, this screw is not opening. And I need to try this with screwdriver. Finally I open. But this screw is damaged. I need to throw this in the scrap and I need to add one more screw. New. Okay. Now I remove. Yes, that was true. Oh man, we have a lot of dust. So, oops man. First I need to keep again the screw of this in top core. We have a lot of dust inside. So this is the maintenance video and how we can run the fan, cooling fans, to check the cooling fans. Okay, because the one method we have to run a fan to connect the load, and the second I am telling you how you can start the cooling fan without running any extra load. Okay, so I think we have a NTC inside of this, so this is the good thing for us, but we receive this for maintenance. Okay, so this is the good thing. I need to remove this. I already received this for maintenance, so this is the good thing to remove this air ventilation core and this MPPT solar charge controller for good maintenance and good cleaning. And I need to, okay, first I need to remove the top core strips and I need to provide a hot air 200 degrees centigrade for this glue to melt. And as you remove the strip from this control drive card, oh man, I think this is another type of glue. First I need to check. Yes, no. Yes, I need to provide some more hot air. Okay, finally I remove. Now I need to provide a hot air to this strap. Now I need to remove carefully. Okay, finally I remove. I am keeping this on the side first. Okay, now we need to remove this 7 mm nuts. Here we have the strip of this. Okay, and after that I need to remove this plastic hooks with this tool. This is the good tool for this operation. Okay, We have just 3 hooks. One is broken. Okay. Now first I need to remove this. Here we have one screw. One. And here we have one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And here we have 2 per connection or continuity. And here we have per input, PV input. We need to remove this. And after that we have 2 screws here. And I need to remove this. And after that I need to remove this MPPT strip from here. Okay, remember. And here we have one for SCC start. Okay, and after that I think I can remove this. No, now not. I cannot remove this because here we have a connection. The black, you see here with black and the red, and here with red. So I need to remove this. It's okay. Oh man. First of all, fan is not jammed, then why? Okay, first I need to connect this with battery and I need to run a load. Without this, no need for this solar charge controller in this time. Okay, first I need to run a load on this inverter. And if you don't want to run a load, so you need to remove this HDR from here. This is the 10K HDR. Okay, and after that Sunum ke likra Reassembling Janu okay.
बैटरी वाला रहता है ये तो दिस हुआ जे दा दिस बराबर के जो बैटरी की लग करो नहीं क्या ना
दिस ने की यार हां दिस ने की और दा द सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम दे दे सर इसम ने की और एक अपने जोड़ कर ले सीधे चले सरदा गला ने की रिक्शा दा 1800 की 1500 Okay, now I'm just searching for HDR. I have a lot of HDR, but I need to find the box of HDRs. Heat dependent resistor. Okay, HDR. Okay, I found. I have some types of HDR, and we have in this inverter this type of HDR. Okay, so I need to connect this. Okay, and keep isolate this. and after that I need to provide a power for operating, and after that I need to turn on the inverter. Okay, I on the inverter, I turn on the inverter. Now I need to do some wait to start the inverter. Okay, now one fan is run for some second, but if you want to run continuously, so you need to provide a hot air to this HDR. Set your hot air gun temperature at 150 or 200 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is just on the trail bags. Is the heat is, oh man, don't touch. Okay, okay, the one fan, as you can see, is start. Okay, but another is not running, and we detect the fault. This is the warning. Okay, not the fault, this is the warning. And if we provide more heat, so I think they can go in fault. As you can hearing, they finally go in the fault mode because the over temperature. Okay, so now we need troubleshoot this issue, why our fan is not working. First of all, you can remove this. First you need, okay, now here we have a true fan and here we have not a true or okay fan. So replace this with each other, these strips. For knowing about, we have an issue in our main board, or we have an issue in the fans. Okay, first you need to confirm this thing. Okay, now we need to do some work. Okay, it's mean we have an issue in the fan because it's again replacing or exchanging each other. I remove this from this. Okay, and now I am removing this strip from here and I need to install here. Okay, and now I am sure I replace this with each other, and now I need to again turn on, and let's check. We have an issue in the pen. Okay, as you can see, okay, this pen is start for a little time. Now I need to install the HDR properly, and I need to keep the HDR again in my box. Okay, first I need to connect this. Okay, and after that I need to clean this. Okay, I remove the power, and now I need, first I need to remove this dirty wires because this is the very dangerous thing. And I called the customer and I said that this is very dangerous thing for you. You need to purchase a good quality wires and connectors. And he said it's okay. Okay, so I need to remove this because this is the very dangerous thing. The customer installed a lithium battery, and this is the condition of the connectors. As you can see, who installed this, man. And very hard wire, like wood. Okay, now I need to remove this one, another hard wire. As you can see, this is the second. This is the condition of, as you can see. What is this, man? This is the electricity things, and the people are kidding with these things. They don't know about the electricity. Yeah. Okay, now I need to clean this first with air blower. I clean this with air blower, but we have still a lot of dust, and this is the oily and humidity, as you can see. So we need to remove the main board, and we need to clean all this thing, okay, and maintain this inverter, because I received this per inverter per maintenance and cooling fan issue. So first I need to remove this. We have issue in this fan, okay, remember this. Now I need to remove the main power switch strip, and after that I need to remove this inductor coils panel. Okay, I remove this, and now I need to remove this input and output wires. But first I need to note about this. Sometime the customer are, okay, we have input neutral with input neutral here, sorry, output neutral, and here we have output line, okay. And after that we need to remove, oh man, it's a little hard to remove, but you can, okay. This is input neutral, grid neutral, and this is input line or grid line, you can call both. Oh man, it's very hard to remove. Oops. first I need to remove this rod, okay, because I don't want to broke this. Now I need to attach some special tool. This is the very cheapest connector. Okay, now we need to remove this lithium battery communication strips, and after that we need to remove this paralleling kit. I need to provide some hot air here and some here. Now I need to remove, okay, easily. I need to provide hot air with this to this, or remove the glue. It's okay. Now we need to remove this panel, okay. So for this we have just a one screw just we have in this area. First of all we need to remove this particle from here for easy removing. Okay, you can remove this with any sharp thing. I need to remove this with this teeth packs. That's okay. Now I'm trying to remove this, but first I need to remove this earth connections. You can remove a wrench. This is the 8 mm nut, okay. Okay. Now I need to remove this breaker nut. This is the 14 mm. Completely remove this. Okay. Now I remove completely this. Okay. After that, we need to remove this screw from this main board. Here we have one, and here we have a second. And this is the third. Here we have the fourth. here 5, 6, here we have number 7, 7, here we have 8, okay, here we have 9, and I think 9, here we have 10, 10, and I think one more. This is the number 11, and I think this is the last. I confirm this. I receive a 3 inverter of multiple types, and we have 11 screw on 3 multiple brands and multiple boards. Okay, I think this is the rule to install 11 screw on this board. I am not sure, but I note this thing. Okay, after that we have 2 screws on this control drive card on this side. Okay, remove this. Here we have and I need, okay, now you need to pull up carefully, okay, and remove the board from the body. Oh man, I receive ins stacks. Okay, sorry for this, but unfortunately I received like this. First I need to clean this body, and we have wires. This is the unqualified electrician works. And this is the reason of humidity. First of all, we need to focus on our main board. After that, I need to remove the damaged band from body, and I need to provide some more new band. I have a call. Yeah. Hello? सही है सही okay, sorry Parve. Now I need to first I need to remove the control drive card. Okay, and after that I need to clean this on my bench because I need to share a soft brush. Okay, and you need to clean Okay, this is not the necessary to clean very perfectly. If you want, so you need to wash this with thinner. Okay, but after that you need to remove every inductor and every capacitor to dry. Okay, this is the good method to just remove a lot of dust. Okay, like this is the oily dust, I think. After that I can clean my bench, don't worry about this. Use brush carefully. Okay, don't damage any component and don't touch hardly any component. Okay, here we have a lot of dust here. Okay, now I need to provide some air pressure with air blower. Okay, this is specially for maintenance because the video title of that, how to maintain solar hybrid inverter. So I need to complete maintain this with some cotton swab, but first I need to clean this a lot of dust with this brush, and after that I need to clean this with cotton swab and some thinner for perfect clean. Okay, so now I need to clean my bench from this dust. And you need to wear a mask, okay, because the dust is not good for your health. Okay, now I need to completely clean this with cotton swabs and some pieces of soft cloth. And check here. Okay, now I need to clean this area with this brush. Okay, now I need to use some cotton swabs, especially for this area. For this area, apply some thinner. Okay. And after that, you can completely clean this with this method. Okay. As you can see, now where we have here we have a lot of dust. You can clean this with this method. Okay, you need to get some cotton swabs and some thinner. Okay, thinner mean liquid thinner to clean this. And some people are washing the board with water, but this is not the good thing. Okay, now there we have a lot of dust and it's a little hard for me because I have no air pressure tank. And the good thing for this, I have a shop nearly a tire shop. If you have nearest tire shop, you need to get the board to clean with a lot of air pressure. And I am trying. You need to do some way. If, if we can clean this with more air pressure with air tank, okay, I am just going for this to the tire shop. Okay, I was try, but the tire shop don't have a nozzle for best air pressure, so he removed just for me the tool who burning a tire from air, but the result I not found. So now the good thing for me to clean this areas without removing this components and this components, and if I remove this component, how much time required for this to remove and clean this oily dust. I'm thinking about this and I need to decide. Okay, first I need to set this component for brush. I have a soft brush, but I need to don't touch the component, and I am well trained, don't worry. Okay, but I need to purchase a small tank of air to clean this type of dust with power air flow This is a little easy, but this is little hard to clean, but you can clean like this. Okay, don't touch the components with wood or with metal. Okay, we clean, but we have a little dust. Yeah, now I need to provide some air on this area. Down your phone volume. Okay, I remove some dust more. Now I need to remove this rods because I receive this inverter for maintenance and clear the issue of fan, cooling fan. Okay, so I just come live for maintenance. Okay, so this is my goal, to maintain and clean perfectly. Okay, because the video title is related with cleaning. So I need to clean perfectly, and I need to remove this rod because this is the easy process. And here we have a very hard dust, so we need to clean this with cotton swab and thinners. First I need to, oh man, don't remove this. I need to remove this nozzle, and I need to burn this. That's enough for this work. Oh man. This is our relays. And this line is very important. Okay, you need to clean this perfectly from this oily dust. Oh man, we have a lot of dust in this inverter. Now this is the good direction for me to clean perfectly. This lines is very important, okay, to clean from dust, oily dust or humidity, from humidity, weather humidity. Okay, finally I clean the deep area, the deep area. Now I need to clean this. Okay. Finally I need to clean this with clean cotton swab. This area is important. Okay, now look to the board. I get some result. Okay, you need to zoom in from your device. Okay, I am providing a 1080p live stream to you. Okay, and now we have a little dust here and here. I need to clean this with cotton swab, and I need to clean this with brush. Okay, now I need to clean this area with some cotton swabs, and we're getting the result, but slowly. Okay, because this is not easy work, because this is the deep area of board, not the surface area. So we need to clean this like this, but don't damage components. Okay, Here I need to clean this area from this oily dust. And my friend is come. Cam, welcome man. Welcome. Come here. Come
You
here.
have to continue your work. No, I don't
I'm
understand.
loud. Come here.
I don't
Come here.
understand. You have to continue yourself.
You sit down on my chair here,
You have to do your work.
and I can work here. Okay? Lock the door, please.
You have to do your work continuously. Up till
Yes,
that
man.
time,
I am working. You just sit down. Oh, why, man?
yeah, I got fired yeah, for about 5 days.
Oh, man.
105 on height
So
temperature.
sad, man.
So I was very uneasy. Just the time I have taken the rest. Today, I'm
Okay.
easy.
Yes. God
But
bless you.
yet,
God bless you, man.
I was in great trouble, suffering from fever, mounting fever,
Oh, man.
with violent cough.
Oh.
You have to continue your work, by the
Okay.
way.
Okay. Thank you. So here we need to use a cotton swab. Okay. And we have just a little oily dust here to remove. Okay, we have just in this dip area we have a little oily dust, and we cannot clean this with air pressure. This is the one method you can. Okay, don't apply the force, okay, to anything. Okay, I think this area is now clean. Now we need to do some more effort, and we can get more efficient result. Okay, and don't give up. Okay, now I need to clean this little area with some cotton swabs. Okay, this video is just about how to maintain. This is just the maintenance video, man.
Yeah.
Oh. So I am just cleaning again iron water from oily dust.
And how much time have you continued this process?
I think
How much time have you started?
approximately 1 hour,
No.
because I need to assemble again this for the customer, because the darkness is coming, the natural dark is coming dark. Okay, and I need to provide a light.
It's approaching dark.
uh, and I need
The
before.
dark is approaching near.
Okay, thank you.
The dark is approaching near.
The dark is approaching near. Thank you. And I need to learn a strong English language. And I can with this repairing. Before this, I can't speak English language in our daily life. Okay? I just decided to speak English in this live streams, and one day I start, and now I can speak a little, not strongly, but I can my
Follow
work,
my idea.
and I can share my knowledge with you just with this little broken English. No, man, this is a very good thing, because the people are thinking about my English language and I need خبر به طرف ته غوښتي ده ستا
خپل
خبره
کار کوم مړه زه دې نه ډسټم
نه مړه خبرې به کوم کوو داسې
بس خپل دې
نو بس هغه خو ګوره داسې انکول کړ دې کوس خبر ضرورت نشته
بریاد کړو دا ونه کې بس نو مایلس نه کې راځي نه پرې دې کراله
حساب کتاب دی کنه
نو دې بریاد وکړم
نو خبره ده بیا کومه نو ستا ګپ پاتې ده خو بس دا لږ مینټیننس پاتې دی وره
خپل کار کوم سم دا کار کیږي کار کتاب
نه خیر څه داسې خبرې دي که نه
بیمار وو راووتم راسه
ښه دې وکړو
مې داسې وې نه
بعضې سړی داسې که
خلک
نه
به ما پسې ګرځي
ما ته پته ده مې
زه به چا پسې نه ګرځم واحد پیج زه به تا پسې
نو بس دا ستا خپله مینه ده زموږ سره نور څه چل نشته اورې دې ته ویلی کېږي هارټ ټو هارټ ریلیشن څه شی هارټ ټو هارټ ریلیشن نه نه مړه موږ ستا په پښپو باندې خپل سر ږدو سړیا تا ته څه ته خو زموږ پیر یې پیرو Some people are not living the life because I think they love electronics. And finally, I clean. Okay? No, don't worry about this mainboard because before and after you look. Okay, a shining. Now we have a shining. Okay, now we need to clean just this bus bar. Okay, with cloth. This is not the working of cotton swabs. Okay, I need to just clean with cloth and thinner. And our needed area is that, okay, not that. Sir, we rolled it. Okay, this is the cotton swab working, okay. So I need to use some more cotton swab or this. Okay.
On the next day, are you ready to make YouTube channel for myself?
Yeah.
On the next channel today.
Now I am
Because I
ready.
have not brought mobile with
Now
myself.
I am ready, man. After this live stream, I am ready
No,
for you.
Today I have no mobile.
Okay?
I have only small mobile today.
No.
The next day, are you ready?
You can call the.
How much time it will take?
You need to get a smartphone. Okay?
Which time?
Like Android or iOS.
Vivo mobile is presented. Vivo.
Okay. And
That's right.
you have in the Vivo smartphone Android software, and you can with your Vivo. Okay?
Has a good camera.
Yeah.
So in how much time will you prepare this?
This
The
for your
YouTube
channel?
yeah.
Just approximately 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
30 minutes. 30.
Amazing.
Yeah. It's easy. It's easy job, man.
And can you link it with the Facebook or with the TikTok?
Yes, I
There
have.
3 of these comes at the same time in the Federal States. What
You
else?
need.
No, I mean that when I show my video on YouTube
Yes.
and along with the YouTube,
TikTok.
it has also to show on TikTok as well
Okay.
as on
Okay.
Facebook. Yes.
And
Possible?
Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.
3 of
Okay.
these will possess the same page or different.
Yes, you can use Just one username.
One name.
Yes. Okay, friends. Now we need to clean just this deep area, and after that we need to assemble again, and we need to clean the solar charge controller of this inverter. Okay, and we need to focus on the cooling fan. Okay, we have a warning of cooling fan, and I done the cleaning work. Okay, now I need to just clean the bottom side. You can call this side bottom side. Okay, bottom side. This is the top side. Okay, and this is the bottom side. Okay, so now I need to clean this with this soft brush. This is soft. Okay, not hard. First I need to clean with this like this. Okay, and at this bottom side we have no any oily dust. Okay, we need just clean with this soft brush. Okay, and after that we need to clean just this area with cloth and thinner. Okay, and I need to clean with this a little. Okay, and this side, this is the surface area. Okay, I am using a cloth because the area is surface. And I get some carbon and dust, and I can clean this area. Get easy, man, get easy. Okay, now our main board is clean. Okay, and now we need to clean this, and this is easy job. This is easy job. Okay, not hard like this. Okay, but first I need to order a black tea for me and my friend. Hmm?
Easy job, easy work. Job for this full karne ke apni job. Easy work, easy task. See ya? The easy point. The easy way.
Give your feedback before the condition and after the condition. Okay,
Tanas namala wala. Bore easy di maine ala.
nalagi bitu clean chai dike dar burkol na ke dar del wala burkol pe
Maine ni sun. Raqam होता है मदार सुना.
na soft fruit cake teu بس بس زمنا ما غاخ بس بيجي عايشه قوي بس سبيشال تيرا ولا Angin puro mong soko. Okay, I am keeping this board on the side. And after that, I need to clean this. Okay, with this soft brush. First, I need to try on this soft brush. Okay, and we have a conformal coating on this. Okay, this is easy because this is the SMD components we have on this bottom side. It's easy work, easy task to clean. do not apply more than force of required force. Okay, and I need to purchase a full air pressure tank and compressor to compress the air, and after that I need to provide a pressure air for this operations. Chair on هذا ورد الكون ورد. Okay, bas. Okay. Okay, this is the conformal coating. Okay, don't worry about. خفشي مرة هرسفو ميتي إن شاء الله. زما 15-20 ورځو شي زه بیمار یم ښه خو تیار نه ورځم. Okay, now this is able to use. Okay, so 105
زمانه خبرې زما جوړه خبر تخریب
ना उम्मीद करेगा ना
توحید بخشنے کا نام ہے
oh man yo no ما پرېدا ټولې پرېدي
شپږم ورځ د خپل مين دی راوړل
زله ریکوست د خوراک ته شی به د کیمرا کې راوسته چې دا د سي
کاری
نشته هغه دغه ټایم کې رااله موس لري کو تیز نو تاسو ما وکړه ها چې مونږ به دا کیمرا ته به دا چې
ما ته دغه څه وخت کېده
تا خو به لږ به کوسې دی خو کې چې اوس کې کنه دا دا کیمرا د سیله کوټه سویچ کمره کې دا به د سیله پاسه پرنټ سویچ زو اوس په پاکستان راځي دا بس لا پاسه سویچ ځه نه بس ته کار کو چې کو بیا کار کو اوس دې
خپل کار ونه ډیسټرب کړي خبر ته زه کوم
نه ډیسټرب کی
زما په ځان سټوبینه راولې زما نه اسم
دا نه یو څه
دا باندې چې یوازې نه استه یا د خبرې نه کوي یا خبرې به کار دي ته صرف خپل کار جاري ساته ما د ستاسو کار لحاظ دی چې کار کې بس دا به خوشاله یم
ته دا کولا په ستاسو لاس کو بیا خیر دا خبره ټاش کوم
مال
زبر ټاش کوم نه
مال لک کنه
زبر ټاش کوم ته ځان واسله سلاس پاک دی ولا نو څه دی نو
کنه پرې
زه خورم خو زمون په ورګ زه دا ګلابز مو کوم ځای راکړم
دغه کنه ریمو کوم څه ویل
زما خدا پاکه ذهن کې اړیا نه
نو مړه وړه خبرې
دا په کار چې موږ پرې په چاکو کټ کړی صحیح ده چاکو زما چې دی هغه
مړه چاکو چې راسته فارمیلیټیز ته دا کاسمیټکس دا کاسمیټکس
نه دا خوراک شي دی کنه یار دا ورځ اوس کیمرا ما بره سویچ کړل لاندې نه راځي اوس مې دا رڼا درې کسان ګوري مې ته چې رڼا ته درې کسان ګوري انتظار کوي چې مخې ته دی سره کېږي مړه څه کله چې ما اوښې مې بس سبا لا وفات شو
شي
نو بس دغه دنیا
کله جنازه ده
هاي شوګر مړ ما چاته نه تکلیف پچا نه امر تو بس پر یو دوا و کې دا غځې نه
کله
بلکې هغه ځای نه دیږي چې اوس وګي زم په اول ورځ ماسپښین راغلی بس د بیا نه یم تللی نو خو بیا دا رسم و رواج دی رسم نو د اسلام کې خو نشته رسم
زم چې زما ستاره دماغ ته یوې پرشتې راښکلې زه خو بیا بیا کړی ما چې د په ژوند کې لاس نیوه نه ده کړې
Okay, sorry friends for waiting, but this is our need to eat some food. Okay, and now I need. Uh, yes, I need to clean the body. Okay, and for body I need to remove this paralleling kit and this lithium battery communication circuit. شيء غير دي خبر ده بارو خسرية تبقى ممنس كيوي ويارا maintenance مش maintenance كده بقى شرايط ده شيء بفاكر زورا جيم ده فيديو تايتل maintenance كنت وصل maintenance كوس بدا شيء صار ترى
كوا مثلا سردی مرا ولا دمو
مو صار لاو ګټم نه مړه
زمانه د ټینشن نازل د گزار شي
نه ستانه ټینشن نه راځي زه ته تاسو به مې ته چې دا وس دی لکه دی دا سکه یو سنه کوي
هیڅ نه دا ستکا به نو انتقال نشته
صحیح ده sorry bar vibrations I touch the camera with the wire now I need to remove this بور كيف خدينا كنا
نه
سکالم زیا ځان له سګوري چې موبایل بل لر سګوري
پښتا
ها دا ورته څه فیسبوک مې سګوري ګوره هم اکټیویټیز دا له خاطر ته وای فای سره کمنټ کې بس به احتیاط کې ګډ کمنټس ورکوا ها
کمنټس ما څه کوي څه نه ګورم
سګوري ګوره No. Okay, and after that I need to remove the switch from body. And a person who installs switch with opposite direction from the icons or symbols and I need to install this again or I need to guide a user about this. Sabawi. Specimens. आवाज बदल के कोई चीज ना कॉपीराइट पे रहने का पता नहीं लगती थी तो ना रासी बस सही लगी तो इसके खेत अच्छी सिद्धी माइक ना रासी
बस नहीं
side effect. Okay, now we need to clean this. Okay, I need to wear a mask. Use N95, okay, for this situation. No, mana tanggai.
Das cuma kita
Como é isso? I wear the mask, okay, and now I need to clean this properly. And this is the good thing to wash this body with water because we have no any electronics component here. So this is the good decision to wash this with brushes and some washing powders or chemicals, and I have a water pressure, so I need to wash this good for good maintenance. And after that I need to remove this paint, and after that I need to paint again with spray, okay, with particle spray. So need to wash this body, but I need to take care about this specification level, so I need to protect this first, okay. I need to protect this first with transparent insulation tape.
वालेकुम सालेरा सालार खबरकुम सालार सरजी स्टासरा मानी भी हाँ अनवर कम चलतल ले सही दादा
خبره در کوم ځل ښه زیرک صفا کړم که نه ستا انورټر ستا نه شي ښه ته دې مطلب ته ولاړ سالار هلته کښېنه خپل ځان ته وخت کړم زه یې اول صفا کړم ښه ښه دي ده پرون ټلیفون کو ستا نمبر نه ده دومره تېرې نه
موبایل ته ومه چې
د دې لارې زما سر پته ده ښه
دا د پرون نه کړی
نه دا بل وځه زما نه هېر دوستي کلو خو لایو یې پرته ده په یوټیوب کې ښه
ما کتو خو ده
زه به درته وښیم اوس لینک به درته در ولېږم موبایل میسج ته ښه صحیح ده But brothers, I need to check this inverter to the user, okay, because I was repaired this and now I need to check this. देखिए माँ रास्ता सर से मैं खबर करवा मैं पदे किन कर रहा देखिए स्टा सलोर मॉस्पेट छे हाँ روغ راختی نو 800 روپے مې دا کې ډیسکاونټ کړی دی ښه ٹھیک شو وګورئ چلیږي لوډ په ما چولې د لوډ ویډیو پر طرف ها صحیح ده
جان دا دوه شیشې لګي
او صحیح دی
تاسو مسله نه کوي
نه صحیح شو دا به څوک لګي تاسو ته د لګول طریقه درځي
واسطه ته غواړم
د دې سوئچ په طریقه باندې پاتې کې پروت دی کنه هدي کې ستا چې دي کنه سلور ماسپټ روغ راوته تا سره ما 4300 روپۍ کړې 800 ټیکټ کا 3500 روپۍ را لګه ها And this is the clean money. A dirty hands a sign of clean money, and a dirty cloths a sign of clean money. Apa dia rawas tu? Sangat set lagi help tu. Orang was tala sudah orang mati ternu. Nah, dia putih las land dia lalu dia tiada las putih ni sih. अब दे ना दे पे प्लस के नहीं सको जैसे द तारू ना दाव तीनों को लड़े बन प्लेस okay brothers and finally I wash the body okay and now I need to clean this a little with cloth and after that I need to provide a hot air to dry this first okay and first I secure this specification level okay and after that I wash okay now I am providing a hot air to dry this body as you can see now I need to remove my mask because no any dust we have in this procedure as you can see first I need to dry the outside okay and after that I need to dry inside and this is we have a pant okay it's dry this side now I need to dry this side sorry for loud sound Okay, that's done. Now I need to dry my bench first. A little water, I fall down on my bench. And this is my nozzle. After that, I need to dry this side. Here we have a little water, just wet body, not a drops of water. Now I need to provide some hot air, and this is easy to dry, as you can see. Okay, it's done. Now the turn off this outside. Okay, it's done. Now we have here a little water. Okay, that's done. Outside body is now dry, and now we need to dry the inside. And this is easy. Okay, we need to dry first this area, and after that I need to provide a paint again for long life. Okay, and keep safe from weather and humidity. And here we have a foam, so we need to dry this and this. I was does a mistake. First I was need to remove this foam, but now I does the mistake. So now we have just the one solution to dry this. Is this dry? Yes, nearest to dry, near to dry. Okay, this area we have a little bit wet. Okay, wet mean we have a little water in this area. For this, I need to use some cotton swabs because we have a water inside of this thing. First, I need to dry this with this cotton swabs. And after that, I need to. Oh man, we have some more water. And I think this is the good solution for this. Okay, now water is come out. Yes, the water is boiling and this is complete dry. Now the turn off this to remove the water and dry this. This is the good method. Okay, now the turn off this. First you need to put the cotton swab wood, and after that you need to provide a hot air. This is the very boring live, man. No, no. استنى يكون استنى دير سقا اوبريشن لكن يار هوري دير سقا اوبريشن لكن here we have, this is the very important. Put the wood and dry again the wood with hot air. Okay, now it's dry completely, no any water we have. Now the turn of this. Now here we have just two left. That's done. It's all done. We have just one. Okay, our body is completely dry now. Okay, now we need to just paint this with spray, and after that we need to assemble this inverter again with beautiful view. Yes, man. And unfortunately, I am lucky. I get a same color like black. Okay, so I am spray, but this is not good to spray on my bench. Okay. Rules maybe. Okay, I paint this, and now we need to just provide a hot air little to dry this paint. Set your hot air gun on 150 degrees centigrades. Okay, I paint this area and this area. Okay, and now I can assemble this again. Okay, first up all we need to assemble a main board, and first I need to check this is completely dry. As you can see, no any water we have in this. Okay, now finally this is our main board. Okay, we have 11 screws on this board. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, one, don't tight first. Okay, I am telling you why. If you tight a screw, so you cannot move the board. Okay, to set, first you need to count the screws. We have 11 screws on this board, so this is the second two. Okay, and now just you need to count. This is third three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one we have more, the last one, number 11 here. Okay, 11 screw just I install. Now the turn to tight. Okay, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the last one, number 11. So now I am sure I tight and install all screw on this board. Okay, now the turn to install the pen core and back core. But before installing the back core, we need to clean this little. Where is my brush? Little brush. Wooden brush شوفوا. تيجي تاخد الارجيل دي شايفه نزلها الارجيل وبرش ده. Come زي كده. ده ما دير هذا كم زي No, it's a wooden pen. I'm just searching for my little brush. This appear, I think. What is Okay, now I need to clean this just with cotton swab and some thinner. We can wash this board with water, but after the washing we need to remove everything and dry everything. Okay. Okay, now I'm just installing this, but first I need to clean this with cloth to remove the dust. Now I need to clean this. It's okay to install. I am installing this screw on my left hand, so it's little hard. It's okay. It's okay. Need to install here. Okay. Don't worry if you remove from here and after that you install here. It does not matter because this two this two jack in the parallel we have. Okay. After that I need to install this paralleling kit. We have a lot of dust on this. First I need to clean this with cloth because we have a surface area. Oh man, how the oily dust and smoke come here. I think this user installed this inverter in the kitchen. This side we have clean, but it's good if I do more struggle for this. I need to clean this with cotton swab. Alarkan, your idea come. Enjoy. Enjoy. Sa awri. Sa awri. Summer. Share the whole first. So disconnect from the Bluetooth thinner connect disconnect. What was that? This ka? Connect show. Basta kami wala gumaga 3,000 year old.
طب انت سمعت السيكونس ولا جوه؟
بس charge ما تقدر تختمي زو تماشا كون خير. Don't pay. ना जनरेट सर सब तो डिस्टर्ब के गेट से तंतन चिकमाना खबरी पता नहीं लगी हाँ तो दुम रशे चिलक टिंग चिलका माशूम लसड़े लगन और कहीं सुशनी ओके
لا سمعت غواص كي خزنة
سيدة
ميوت خلا لكن
لا لا تكتب بدي خوسم كان لا كان هذا
هلا
لا لا سيدة ده بالإنترنت سيدة مش تبي زي يا رأس زي هوستل نبوي يا هذه بيستوي زنا بوي ساده old ده كده ديوانه تبوي ما أصدق بدن لقي في الحال بيكال نشتاو okay that's a mistake first need to remove this again It's okay. We need to install this two strips here. It's okay. And now we need to install the back cord. And we have an issue in this pen. First I need to remove this pen. Okay, first I need to remove this from here. This, okay. Okay, we need to replace this pen. Same model we have. Okay, the brand name is different, but we can install this like this and check about blue. First blue, second red. First I need to set the direction. First blue, here blue, red, here red, yellow, here yellow, black, here black. It's okay. And I need to clean this little man. hard to remove more. Okay, this is enough. Okay, now first I need to check this fan.
Hey,
Hey Giovanni, wala bikiko.
be careful, wrong number.
Man. And if you want to check quickly your pen, so you need to remove your control drive card from your inverter and provide a power supply and turn on your inverter. Okay, this is one pen, this is second. Now, as you can see, this pen is running and this pen is completely damaged. Okay, I can install this pen. Oh. हेलो जी लग गया है बगी जी लास्ट तो किचन की यूज कर ले ला बॉडी में तिकोला ऊपर टोटल मिस पड़दल ले आ सर्किट में वाला सफा को बागी की 10 जुड़ा हो जाएगा को हवा को मदद सरना लगे केदा आगे में तो गोगुनु पकड़ को बांधे में टूल सफा को दूर इस तरह एकदम अवस्था की लग गया है को मई है ना आप मुकम्मल हर समय तो गोला को आई नहीं बन को तो राजो ना पंते खराब है मुकम्मल पंते जाम शी का ना पंते पर दे आजाद हो खराब है पंते में तो सुझाव वाला था बच्चों 20 रुपए यदि सिर्फ पंते का जीव है हाउ टू दे पंते के बयान Okay. The person call about this inverter and I tell the situation. Okay, I need to bind this with zip tie here again. Cut the extra. Okay, now I need to install this. Okay. First, you need to install this strip here. Okay, and after that you need to set this breaker in a specific area of this breaker. It's okay, it's done. Now I need to set this. It's perfectly done. Okay, and now I need to tight a screw on this. It's okay. Now I need to connect this wires. So this is our output. This is our output line, and we need to install a brown power line. And this is our output neutral. We need to install a blue for output neutral, and here we have grid line or AC input line. So we need to connect with this brown input line or grid line. Okay, and this is the grid neutral. We need to install here this blue. It's okay, and here we need to install this earthing connection again. Okay, and after that we need to install this washer, and after that we need to install this nut. Olvano Lawrence, what's up? I am fine, man. How are you? And welcome to N. And thank you for your sweet comment. Okay. Oh, I stuck a second thimble or connector. Okay. Now I need to tie it again perfectly. That's okay. And now I need to install this another. Okay. And after that I need to install one this more. And after that I need to install one this. This is not. This is okay. Why, man? Why? Finally I fall down. It's okay. Punch, please punch. Oh, I think the Alvano Lawrence says live the life was live the life. Okay. Now I need to set this in specific area, and I need to put down this wire. Okay. Now everything is fine.
اشتغل بيها تمرة ولا
How 3,000 year old? Like it, like it.
النور ما تيجي ده
Okay, friends, give me a 10 seconds. I am getting my tablets. Okay. No, no. Then tatang na siya. Ganun batan nagdawat ko mission na ko siya this day. Romance ke free mission kharabi. Mosta rus today pala la time pa de mana na waqti de. Okay, brothers, now we need to install a control drive card. Okay, this is our control drive card. Install carefully. Okay, push down, and now you need to install a screw on this. It's okay. Now I need to connect these strips. Okay, now I need to sit down here like from manufacturer, and now I need install here this strips. Okay, and after that I need to install this rods here or connectors, what you want to say this, or what you want to call this. Okay, here we have one. And here we have one another. It's okay. Now I need to tie it with nut driver. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. Now I need to install this negative and positive charge. It's okay. And now the turn off. Turn off this. This is already clean, okay? But we need to do some little effort with this. Okay, I clean this. Now I need to install. First I need to hold one screw on my rechargeable drill or cordless drill or screwdriver. Okay, and after that I need to hold on one hand on the best position, and after that I need to install one screw to hold this. That's okay. Now I need to install 3 more screws on this. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Now we need to install solar charge controller. need to install this. Here we have our SCC start. The symbol is SCC. Okay, and here we have to install in this area. Okay, here we have one MPPT stress. Okay, and install this. Now I need to put a wire here. Install this controller carefully. Okay, and now I need to tighten the screw of this, and you need to install the black with black here. Okay, set the position and tight. And after that I need to install the red with the red. And we have a little dust on this. It's okay. Now I need to install a screw on this, but first I need to set this empty sheet for this. This is not for this. I think this is the good area. Yes. I need to install the screw on this. Here we have one. Don't tight, man, don't tight. Okay, first you need to install just second, third, yeah. Okay, and after that you need to install one here and tight this first. One, and this is the second for another charge. Two, okay, and after that you can tight this. And here we have a two screw, one here, one here. Okay, and after that you need to install this screw here. And one is here. It's okay. And now we need to install an air ventilation core. First I need to clean this little.
Descended spirit.
You are happy with your own man. Yeah. I'm very excited for your quality calls, but okay. Now I need to install the air ventilation cover properly. First I need to remove this wire from here to install the air ventilation cover. Properly. Okay, let's spit in the area. I need to keep more fit. Yes, it's okay. Now I need to install a one hook here. One is here, and this I was broke. First I need to remove this with the help of screw. Okay, with the help of sharp screw. How we can remove this broken plastic hook? I'm telling you. This is not a good screw. First I need to remove a screw, a sharp head screw. After that, I'm just trying. Oh man, that's hard to remove. Finally, I remove, as you can see. Okay, now I need to install another hook on this. Okay, install. Okay, now I need to install this negative here. Positive here. Seven nut driver. Tight this. Set the position. It's okay. It's okay. Now I need to install this protection circuit. Here we have some dust. And here we have on the strip. After that I clean, and now I need to install quickly, and I need to turn on the inverter and clean the LCD. Okay, here I need to install this strip here. It's okay. Now I need to install the screw on this. It's okay. And look at, man, we have just one screw and we have just one screw need here, and this is the counting magic. You need to count a screw on the main board, okay, and remember how many screw you have on the main board to install. Okay, it's okay. I need to tighten this, okay. Now I need to bind this with zip tie. That's enough. Okay. First, I need to turn on and check the fan. Oops, man. One thing we forget. And what? A switch. So it does not matter. First, I need to know about the position. Here we have a dot on this side. And the customer, I need to okay, it's not hard. Don't worry about this. I can this. First, I need to straight this. I think I get, yes, finally I get here. Power switch strip. I targeted this on the time, but this is my good luck. I receive finally here. And now I need to install. Okay. Now I need to install this switch here. The customer. Okay, now I need to provide a power. Turn on, and I need to check about the fan, control fan. Oh man, okay, finally we start. Okay, and I need to check the inverter output voltages. Yes, the inverter is soft start now, and now we need to check the output voltages. Battery low warning. Okay, because my bench power supply is not constant. Okay, here we have output voltages. I need to connect, as you can see. Okay, reverse the polarity for favor AC. That's okay. Now I need to turn off the inverter. And I think I damaged the switch. Uh, I need now to change the switch. Yes, but this switch quality is not good from this. One thing is that. So we are a human and we can do a mistake. Yes. Okay. Switch is not. Switch is now installed perfectly. Okay. As you can see. And after that, I need to clean the LCD. First, I need to remove from here, and after that I need to remove this screw. Okay, need to clean this with this soft cotton swab, and after that I need to clean with another cloths, and after that I need to clean this dust. Okay, I can clean here because we have no inverter here. Okay, now I need to clean this strip with cloth and some thinner. And after that I need to clean this and remove this because we have in the middle of these two sheets, so we need to remove this plastic. isolation. Okay, keep here in the box. And for best cleaning I need to remove this, and first I need to mark this. Later we have red mark here and red here. Okay, I need to clean this first with brush. Remove this second. Oh man. Okay, I clean the dust. Okay, now I need to clean this with cloth. First I need to provide some thinner here. This time I have no more cloth and the market is closed here. And now I need to provide a paint to this area. Okay, after that I need to clean this dust. And this time I have just a clean cloth. This is my cloth, okay, I wear. This is my kameez. This is my cloth, okay? And this is not bad for me because I am purchasing this cloth from this money, and I have not in this time more clean cloth, so I am cleaning with my cloth. Okay, and this side first I need, because we cannot clean this with thinner, and I think someone try on the thinner, so they damage the transparency of this plastic. Now I need to get some machine oil lubricant. Okay, clean with this lubricant for transparent view. I think someone try this with thinner or petrol. Okay, okay, now we have a transparent view, as you can see. Okay, we have a transparent view. and this plastic. Okay, after that I need to clean this because we have in the middle of this I am keep cleaning this. Kamis ma ma da bakkan pare jamu pa kuma shirt pudan ne kan lekor bulu ya bis shirt takam jira bulu isko ma kamis li ma ida zaman class de la kana ma ida bakkan class sa pa kuma ida de la da yo bada khabar
شرط كده قميص شرط
ha
شرط تي شرط طبعا
ha
هذا تي شرط شرط قميص
okay, now we have a transparent view. Okay, as you can see. Okay, I need to install this thing.
دغه ته چې ما ته ګیټار راړول
Guitar هغه دلته پستا
بل
سټون
نه، بل نه.
پستا سټون پستا سټون okay, now I need to tight this little. Okay, and after that I need to clean this LED on giving the light of fault, AC charging, backup mode, installer. Okay, now I need to install LCD. First,
رڼا په تار کې وګورئ
okay. I need to get white spray. I done this. Provide a spray again, black spray, to keep safe from weather infection. Okay, and one thing, Okay, finally we need to install a top core. First, I need to install the LCD strip. My tablet was up because the charge is empty, and now I need to close. It's okay. Now I need to provide a power, and sorry for this reflection, okay? I need to sit down. Huh? What? So? I got it? It's okay. Turn on. Now just check the LCD view. We have a light. Okay. LCD is clean now, as you can see. Okay. And now I need to run a load on this inverter to check the fan. Okay. Turn off the inverter. And after that I need to connect with battery with proper thick wires. This is my negative. I cut this for multiple purposes. This is my positive. It's okay. I need to turn on the inverter. After that, I need to run a load on this inverter to check the fan feedback. First, I need to turn off again because I am connecting the wires. Here I can connect this line, and I can connect this neutral because the user is combine the neutral, so I can connect this here. We have already a combined neutral here. Oh man, where are you? It's okay. I connect the wires and everything to run a load on this inverter. It's okay. This is the 2000 watt heater. Okay. And the fan is running now. And I need to show you, I need to remove my cell phone from stand. Okay. And the fan is running. Okay. I need to on my flashlight. It's okay. It's okay. And this is the load. And now you can check the LCD, but the reflection we have. So first, %43 load. Okay, it's okay just to check a cooling fan. Okay, and now I need to close this inverter and close this topic, and I am coming back live again with another topic. Okay, first I need to off the inverter, but first I need to check the charging. Provide AC power. But okay, first I need to turn off the inverter because I need to connect here. Okay, I remove the output load wire. And then we have a big wire here. I need to connect with utility. Okay. Here is AC power are charging. Now I need now here we have a negative icon because the electron is flowing like this to this. Okay, and when we receive a charge like this, so here as you can see, oh man, I missed the shot. This is the charging amps. It's okay. Define a user. Upside down. The video is upside down. Sorry, but upside down. Okay. $18.9, 20, 21. It's okay. The charging is system is okay. Now I need to check the charging from solar. Okay, I remove the AC power. Now I need to just check. Just check. Okay, first I need to close this nut. Still dry. It's okay. Now I need to check the charging from solar source. Okay.
Assalamualaikum bhai, hai na?
It's okay. I receive the solar icon. Okay. We need to check the charging amps.
What आवाज लगे शक्ल रंगी है
That's it, yeah. This is the input source of charging. Okay. And the electron is flowing. Plus I need to set the 0. It's okay. It's the input and this is the output, but the negative I need to attach with negative, but I can attach like this if I have a negative icon. Now we have not any negative. Sorry for upside down. Okay, but okay. Now I need to close this inverter.
हाँ हाँ
It's okay.
मैं जितना पीड़ा पे हुई जी ने खाने तो मार दो मत जी वाला खाने जितने चाहे
Okay, that's enough. Now I need to remove every power. Okay. First I need to decrease my solar voltages. And after that I need to remove this battery power.
सही है
Why I cut this for this purpose. Okay. Don't remove completely. You have like this because I am repairing the inverter.
لا بس بالله
I need to tight this little.
لا لا يسوع ده بس اه زي ما تشرب اه इसका घुमा दो ठीक है इसी को तुमने इसी को तुमने जो माने कल करो ठीक है ना ना
The
इसको तुम
screw is not good because we have in the middle a particles.
बस फैला देगा
The screw is not damaged, but we have some dust and particles in the middle of this screw. Okay. Now you can attach.
Ako tuh semua ya, tidak.
It's okay.
Ako tuh semua ya, tidak.
Now I need to add 4 screw new for this side.
Dia bisa iba.
Check my close first. As much कम 670 सब्सक्राइबर और वो कहते हैं कि तब नहीं दिखाते unsubscribe. This person is not. मजा लो कहीं करना बस live and go. Okay, dears, take care. God bless you, and see you next time if God will. Bye.